Hi friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on your Gmail account. Now this is very easy. Now depending on whichever view or settings you have for your Gmail account, you might see some get started icons at the top here. And one of them could say change your profile image. So you can click on that and it's going to take you over to where you can add an image. As you can see, I can add the image here. Now let's go back to the account. Another way to reach here is by simply clicking your profile on the upper right hand side, and here you'll find the pencil icon over the letter, which normally is the first letter of your email address. Now if you click on that, guys, it will open up a window where you can see to add your profile picture. And if I click on add photo, you can see that I can choose photo from some illusions here which I can use, or I can choose from computer, and I can simply upload a picture here. So here if I choose take photo and I have a camera, it will basically take from my computer camera, right? Otherwise I can click on upload and I can choose a picture. So I'm going to choose a picture here randomly, and let's say I choose that photo. Now if I open the photo, I can adjust how I want that photo to be, then click on next, and once it is done I click on set. Right, you can choose the visibility if you want that to be only people who you interact with or everyone. You can choose whichever option, but once you're satisfied, click and set as profile picture, and you will see it saved in a couple of seconds, and the email and the picture will be saved to your email account. Now once I go ahead and close this, you can see my profile picture is set, and it's set there as well on the upper right hand side. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.